I think we need to get rid of Shiv early. I think Shiv has been the Stonewall in our part. In the game just gone there down by us, he was the one who made a difference. If we could get Shiv early, then we could put Ghana under some pressure.
The test of execution will come alive tomorrow when the two sides meet at the National Stadium Providence in their day-night 7-round clash of the Cricket West Indies DDCL 4-Day Championship. Hurricanes are the only side to defeat the three-time defending champions twice over the 4 years, and they are on the cusp of doing it again, but it was the heroics of Chandrapal with a characteristic 109 saving his side from an innings defeat. Though the recent history between the two sides will be one to marvel at for the Hurricanes, they will remain positive, given that cricket is a game of great uncertainty.
Really, cricket being what it is, you can't dwell on that. I mean, you've had some good games against Ghana, but you can't dwell on that thing. You gotta perform the day. So we're not really boosted by the fact that we had some good games against them. We're just taking each game one at a time.
The talented Devon Thomas scored 103 against Barbados Pride in their last match, and Benjamin hopes him along with skipper Raheem Cornwell can continue the good run of form.
It's good to see Devon getting some runs. I mean, Devon is a quality player. Devon has all the shots there is, but for some reason consistency keep eluding Devon. We're hoping that this innings is the start of something more consistent with Devon. Raheem Cornwall has been performing pretty consistent over the last 2 years, and we're hoping that he continues to do that.
Cornwall, whose sides drew against Pride, will have an unchanged squad that comes from Jamar Hamilton, Monsien Hodge, Chesney Hughes, Shane Burton, Shane O'Berridge, Nakeem Bonner, Jeremiah Lewis, Akeem Saunders, Terence Ward, Gavin Tung, and Devon Thomas, and Mervyn Matthew. Jaguars, who managed to survive a miraculous tie against the Windward Volcanoes just Sunday at Providence, also have an unchanged squad, which reads Tejaman Chandrapal, Shiv Chandrapal Hemraj, Leon Johnson, Captain, Keon Joseph, Kimo Paul, Anthony Bramble, Sherfin Rutherford, Versami Purmal, Gadakish Moti, Romario Shepherd, Akshay Prasad, and Vishal Singh. Ping ball action is set to get underway from 14 hours. The other two matches in the region pits host Trinidad and Tobago Red Force against arch rivals Barbados Pride. Another day-night match will occur in St. Lucia, where Volcanoes will clash with Jamaica Scorpions.